Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with local security authority protection is turned off but it's on. That's the problem you are facing on your computer guys. Let's fix that guys. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor. Click run as administrator and click yes. Now in registry you need to expand the H key local machine guys and expand the system and expand the current control set and expand the control section and search for LSA. You just need to click on it, and in my video I will zoom in guys this file path location. You just need to check it, and right side on blank area you just need to right click on it and select new, select devote 32-bit value, name this value as run RUN AS PPL BOT R caps letter RUN A caps letter AS PPL caps letter B caps letter OOT. Press enter guys and double click on it. You need to change this value to 2 guys, 2, and again you just need to right click on the blank area and select new, select devote 32-bit value, name this value as run 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 AS PPL R caps letter RUN A caps letter AS PPL caps letter guys. Press enter and double click on it and change this value data to 2 guys. Select OK and go back guys. Now we are turned off the local security authority protection guys, and you just need to, for changes take effect, you just need to restart your computer guys. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.